Hey folks, Keith with 93 Lumber. Excuse me. Coming back at you with another beer. This is Odd Bird Brewing. Matt from Mess of Beers was down there yesterday and he sent me a picture of the tap list and he asked me if I wanted anything and I got a couple things and here we are. This is Odd Bird Brewing, as I said. It is their Mumbletypeg. It's a Tavern Stout. It is 4.5% alcohol by volume. Date says 6/20/21. It was crowlered yesterday. It's got some nice dents in there. I know Matt's really good at transporting beer, so I am sure he intentionally beat the shit out of this can with all the love in his heart. That was a joke. Jokes. Yes. So, a little bit of a side note. So they had this, but they had it on cask as well, and you could get it, the cask crowlered. So that's what I asked. So this is cask, 4.5% cask stout and a crowler. I have no idea. Let's see what it is. Yeah. Yep, pouring it everywhere. I just drank the other crowler he got me, which was a smoked Helles lager, and if you haven't watched that video, you should go over there. One thing I forgot to mention, as soon as I turned the camera off, I was like, oh, it's got this like nice herbal drying bitter thing, but so keep that in mind and then go watch that. And yeah. Man. For a 4.5% stout, this thing is dark. I'm getting a little bit of brown on the bottom. About just under a finger of it's I don't know. It's like kind of malt ball. What are those things? Those whoppers? What are they called? Whoppers? The little like malt ball things, like the inside of those. It looks awesome. The bubbles are like super small. There's a couple medium-sized ones here and there, but very small. Yeah. Let's see what it smells like. A very soft chocolate, and there's a slight roastiness, a little bit of coffee vibes, more chocolate than coffee though. Semi-sweet. I don't know. It smells good. It's very soft, though. The aroma is very soft, but it smells very good. Thank you, Matt. Cheers. That is man, this tastes like nitro or something. cask isn't nitro. But I'm probably drinking this a little too cold. I took it it's been out of the fridge for 20 minutes or so. Probably could have used a few more minutes, another 10 minutes. But, yeah. The taste is also super soft, but the mouthfeel is super soft. It is a little spritzy carbonation. Not like seltzer, but like, I don't know what would be comparable to that. It's a little more, it's a little softer than like a seltzer. But it's like, I don't know, maybe more like champagne. I don't know. I'm not that familiar. But it's basically the aroma and the taste are very similar. Man, I just want to chug this. I would say the roastiness is a little bit bigger in the mouth. In the taste. It's kind of like the opposite of the nose. Chocolate's in there, but it's less chocolate. Roastiness is in there a little more. Bitterness is a bit bigger. Yeah. Getting like this little bit of excuse me. This little bit of a nutty thing. Kind of like kind of reminds me if you ever had like peanuts, like whole peanuts, and you like bite the shells open. Kind of giving me a little bit of that. I really like this. I'm going to leave this out of the fridge and I'm going to let it warm up a little bit and I'm going to enjoy it the entire time. But yeah, thank you, Matt. Absolutely. This is the second beer I've had from Oddbird. Oddbird? Yeah. Stockton, New Jersey. I keep forgetting to say that. Down near Philadelphia, kind of. Hope you are all doing well and staying safe, being comfortable. Things are more open now. Yeah, hope you're supporting local because they're about an hour and a half from here. You can like this video if you would like to. You can subscribe to the channel if you have not already. You can follow me on Instagram at 93lumber. Spelled out, 93lumber. And we will see you in the next one. Thank you again, Matt. Cheers.